So guys know I'm not going to say it.
What do you want to do today?
Okay, great. You gave out the easiest one. I don't know.
You done?
No. Well, guys, remember the broken vase? Because we have a channel.
Wait, guys. I need to tell you guys something. So come out here.
Okay, but you never saw the broken vase. I forgot.
Okay, guys. So don't even try to unlock this. I need this locked because there's important stuff in there. And yes, this is my house. So don't even try unlocking it, okay?
Okay.
Great.
You almost hit me, my ear, Shadow.
Well, guys, I think we should do something that's for you know, outside because we're like always inside.
I mean, sometimes my dad doesn't even want me outside, so I gotta not get caught by my dad to do that.
Your dad doesn't even pay attention to you.
All right. Oh shit! I forgot about that.
Yeah.
Dude, why is our channel just like SML?
Dude, nobody cares. It's like a parody of SML. Well, it's more like Tito Totter.
Yeah, that's more like it. Cause he's the person of SML. I forgot his name. Is it Lance? I think it was Lance.
Tito. Did
right.
Tito make? Yeah. So it's like the same thing as SML except it's Sonic. So like it's kind of like Tito Totter. So like this is like a Tito Totter parody. Yeah.
But it's not, so whatever. It's kind of both, Teeter Totter and SML.
Teeter Totter's the same thing as SML except with Sonic. Yeah, Sonic.
I know that. Whoa, guys, what is this?
Looks like a vending machine.
Vending machine.
Duh.
Nobody have seen that since years.
Yeah. Well, yeah, but Sonic's dumb. It's because he's like, whoa, guys, what's that? It's obviously a vending machine, dude. You're so dumb. Ew. I want dibs for Skittles.
You know you need a quarter for that?
I know, duh. You need quarter. I know, I'm not dumb like you.
Okay.
Alright, let's put the quarter in. I want dibs for the Skittles. Now I want some Snickers. Give me the Snickers.
You're just paying for all your quarters. You know you're just paying all your quarters now. Oh! So that's how you want to play? Yeah, I'm about to take those.
Regardless, you should really get something. But it's on Explore, so here, have a dime, poor man.
What is a dime gonna get me from here? Is a dime gonna get me like a stupid M&M? M&M is for a quarter right now.
I know. It's just I'm giving you a dime because you're like a bum on the street.
Oh, I'm not poor, bro.
Yes, you are. Stop lying. Your dad literally bought you like a little. Dude. I learned how to way more than that.
So, am I still poor?
Oh, God.
Am I still poor?
Stacks of money.
Okay, did you just steal one of mine?
No. Why would I steal yours?
I don't know, because this looks similar to one of them I have.
I'm not stealing your money, Hedgehog.
Okay, whatever, because sometimes you steal my stuff every night.
What? Let's go get a snack, you bum.
You know what? I'm paying $5 for something.
All right, give me the Hershey's. $5.
Okay. I gave it. Let's give it $10.
I'll give it $5 for some Hershey's. A lot of Hershey's.
Shadow, I got Skittles gummies.
Everything you have. I got a whole bag of everything in the vending machine.
Oh, that's it. Oh, is this your $5?
Yes.
Oh, so that's how you want to play?
I'm not even doing anything to you. I mean,
Except for making fun of me sometimes.
give me your money, you bum. Hey,
let's kick him in there. Oh, shit.
Here's $5, Tails. Go, buy something. You know what, Tails? Steal Sonic's money.
Oh, yeah, I'm rich. Yeah, I'm rich. Guys, this isn't funny. Let me out. Let me out of this vending machine. Oh, yeah, so much money. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, that's it. Oh, I'm going to steal a Skittles. I'm going to steal his Skittle gummies. I'm going to steal his gummies. I'm going to steal his gummies. Oh, let's see what's in here. Some gummies. Now, those are my gummies. You know I can hear you, and you know that I know that you can hear me. Oh.
Charles, did you hear something?
Oh, no, not at all. Now, stop lying to me. Stop lying. Ah. Ooh, money. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's it. Looks like somebody's mad.
Oh, look, there's one more left. That was good.
I heard you in there. Oh, surprisingly, I stole all your money and you can't get it back. Oh, you have to pay me money, but you're now poor, and so you can't pay me money to get your money back. So, yeah, back off, you stupid plumber. Stupid. Ah! Yeah, go ahead and cry to your daddy. He doesn't even care about you.
Oh, man, they're all gone.
Let's base for some more. I know exactly what to do. $100. I bought two for $100.
Let's eat them all.
Oh yeah, let's get all the stuff in there. Get all the Snickers. Get all the M&Ms. Oh yeah. Oh why?
Sonic, what is going on?
Okay, again, okay, first, Shadow and Tails throw me in the vending machine, and then they're all eating all of the stuff I paid for, and now they stole my money.
Oh, well then, that's shame on you. Look, let me tell you a story. Once when I accidentally went in the girls' bathroom, all the girls yelled at me and said that I'm in love with them. It was an accident. I accidentally ran into her, and then when they came out, my dad beat me up. It's because he thought I did that on purpose, and then I saw a bunch of workers, and then they beat the shit out of me in there. It was a shame on me. So, and now it's a shame on you.
What? Fine. I'm just gonna sleep early again.
See? Now go to sleep. I'm gonna watch TV. Now shut up. Don't make any noises.
Okay.
Oh man, I can't wait to watch TV. Oh man, I love watching TV. It's so hilarious, fun. I wonder if I should watch Charles. Maybe I don't know what to watch. Ridiculousness! I love that show.
Oh, a kid pretending a cowboy with a horse.
That's so funny.
Oh, you trip! I did not trip! That's so funny! Sonic! 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 Ah, what the? What do you want?
I need you to go clean the dishes and go guard the plates outside. Do it.
After that. Guys, what are you doing?
Oh, we ate all your gummies and now we're eating all this candy.
I know you ate all my gummies, but I was wondering why you were eating all the candy.
Because it's good, right, Tails?
Yeah, it's really yummy.
Sorry, Sonic. You're so dumb. Because it's yummy. Oh my God, Sonic. You're so dumb.
Ah! Smash it with it. Oh, shoot. Oh, so that's how you want to play? Oh, yeah? Ah! Ah!
Sonic, it doesn't even hurt.
Shit.
Oh, yeah?
Pow! Ah! Ow!
Take that.
Hey, you're not stealing money! That's it, man! You can't steal my money!
Hey, Sonic! You stop it!
Yeah, or else I'm gonna torture you.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do if I
Sonic.
torture you?
He's gonna torture you, Sonic.
Oh, stop!
Cover up the bunny tails.
I'm gonna jump out! Oh, so that's how you want to play? What are you... Hey! Okay, I'm enough with this. I'm enough with it. Okay, so that's how you want to play?
Hi, dummy. Come and get the candy, Sonic. Nom, 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 nom. Oh yeah, Sonic is all mine. Nom, 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 nummy. Sonic! What did I say about you to be outside there?
Oh,
Come and shit now. You better stay in your room. And I swear if you come out one more time, I will kill you.
But you told me to come out of my room to clean the dishes and everything.
Yeah, but then I told you when you were done to come inside. What's going on? Tell me now, or else the fist. What was going on out there?
My friends were fighting about the vending machine.
Boyfriends?
My friends.
Your friends? Are you? You have boyfriends? Wow, Sonic.
I don't have boyfriends. I have friends.
You have friends? Do you have boyfriends as well? Because I would make
No,
a lot
Dad,
of
I'm
sense.
not gay.
I'm pretty sure you are.
I'm not.
Then where's your girlfriend at?
I don't have one.
Then they're gay. Now stay in your room and clean up your big mess.
Unless I was Baby Bunny, I would have a girlfriend. What? You're laughing about ridiculousness? Get in there and let's eat some candy. I'm gonna live in this vending machine. Shadow, good night.
Good night, Tails.
What? They can kind of barely see. They can't even see you. They can only see your claws.
Yeah, that's because I'm like super black.
Oh, there we go. Ben, $20. $20 again at $100.
What if we just repaid this money over and over again to get like some candy?
Well, I mean, this is Sonic's money, and I don't care, so yeah.
are you screaming? I'm trying to go to sleep.
You're in my bed.
Why?
I don't know.
Wait, I just asked a dumb question on accident. I didn't mean to say that.
What the hell, Dad? Get out of here. Get out of here.
No, I'm gonna sleep in your bed now.
No.
Get out of
Okay, I'm sleeping on your couch then.
No, fine. You want to stay here. Good night.
No.
Good night, punches.
Don't tell me I'm gonna hear him scream again, because I can't go to sleep every night because he always watches that stupid show. God, he's louder than a chipmunk. Well, I don't care any longer, so I'm gonna watch TV. Get out of my bed.
No, sorry, sorry.
Can't hear anything.
Spooky man.
What the fuck? I can't even hear. I want to die. Sonic, what are you doing? Ah! Attack him!
Attackers, stay back,
No, I'm just Sonic. I'm just Sonic. Oh, Sonic, get out of here. You're ugly.
Sonic, go sleep somewhere else.
Why can't I come here? Because I already said it. You're ugly.
Sonic, just go sleep in a box if your dad's being really loud.
Is a vending machine literally a box, but just a rectangle?
There's one right there. Go sleep in there.
Okay, people who want me to lay in a trash can, this is literally a box of trash.
Here, take the trash out then. It's that easy, dummy. Here. And then let me just move you like kind of far away. Yeah, like,
What are you taking?
yeah, like just a little like. All right, Sonic. Good night. Oh, good. All right, Tails. I took care of him. Now, good night, Tails.
That's it. Tonight I'm gonna try to break the vending machine, and they're not gonna be happy about it. What if they kill me? Oh well, who cares? I come back every video.
Oh, I'll be the cheater.
Don't batch around in here. Okay, close the door. Close it. Oh, where's the door? Where's the door, Shadow?
I'm pretty sure you broke the door. Oh, it's right here. Jesus. Oh, hi, Sonic. Don't forget to go back to your home, Sonic.
Oh,
we don't want you here.
No!
No, what are you?
Nobody can come in.
But what if somebody comes from up top?
They're not gonna be able to break a vending machine, aren't they?
I mean, they could, but I mean, I could fix
Shield!
it. Okay, shield and all right. I just covered all of it with a shield. Now, good night, Tails.
Okay. Oh shit!
Hello? It's probably nobody. Oh! Why you don't go your own shit? Oh, come on. I'm so ready for the shot. Oh, man. Well,
No.
have a good day, Sonic. Good night, Tails. Ha 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 ha. That's it. Taking out. Oh, wow. What's your name?
Oh, Woody. Howdy.
Oh yeah, more trash to take out.
No!
More trash.
Oh, it's just Sonic. It's just Sonic.
Oh, I think the trash goes all over.
Ah!
Tails, there was just so many trash out there. And then I saw a box named Woody, but then he was just trash. So then I
It was Sonic.
yeah, because he's trash. So then I do away because he's trash. Play-Doh? What the hell? Take two.
We have a attacker! My weapon is the book.
Like Play-Doh?
Yes, dummy!
Taking out the trash, taking out the trash, taking out the trash.
Well, I quit getting that. Everything's just a piece of trash.
You're a trash. What the? Oh look, it's morning. Good morning, Tails.
Good morning, Cat.
Get out here, Sonic! Taking out the trash, taking out the trash.
No! Let me out of here!
I'm taking out the trash.
No!
What? Oh, I'm taking it. The trash was taken out.
It's the garbage, man! The garbage!
Thank you for your trash.
No! 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 No!
You're welcome.
Get in there! Oh, come on.
Hello.
Why are so many of you in the trash place?
God, Moy, that does not feel good.
To be continued will have a different name.